In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much storage you have on your PC, laptop, or computer. Knowing how much storage you have available is really important. It helps you understand whether you can install new apps, download large files, or keep saving photos and videos without running into problems. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step on a typical Windows computer, using built-in tools, so you don't need to install any extra software. First, start from your desktop. Look for the icon called This PC, or, on some versions, it might be labeled My Computer. If you don't see it on the desktop, don't worry. You can also access it by opening File Explorer. To do that, click on the folder icon on your taskbar, usually at the bottom of your screen. Another quick way is to press the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. That will open File Explorer directly. Once File Explorer is open, look at the left-hand side panel. You should see an option that says This PC. Go ahead and click on that. After you click it, the main part of the window will change to show your devices and drives. This is where you can see your computer's storage. You'll typically see a drive labeled Local Disk, C, or something similar. This is usually your main drive, where Windows and most of your programs are installed. Under that drive icon, you'll notice a horizontal bar. This bar gives you a quick visual idea of how much storage is being used and how much is left. If the bar is mostly blue or a similar color, you still have space available. If it's almost completely filled and turning red, your drive is getting full. Just below the bar, you'll see text that tells you exactly how much free space is left and the total size of the drive. For example, it might say something like 200 GB free of 500 GB. The first number is the space you still have available, and the second number is the total capacity of that drive. If you have more than one drive, such as a D drive or an external drive plugged in, you can check each one in the same way. Simply look at each drive's bar and the text underneath it. That's all you need to do to quickly check how much storage you have on your PC, laptop, or computer, using the tools already built into Windows.